Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. The southwest monsoon in India has arrived over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Indian Meteorological Department said on Friday, and it is an indication that it will soon reach the mainland. The southwest monsoon has advanced into some parts of the South Bay of Bengal, Nicobar Islands, entire South Andaman Sea and some parts of North Andaman Sea. Monsoons are seasonal winds, that is rhythmic wind movements or periodic winds which reverse their direction with the change of season. The monsoon is a double season of seasonal winds. They flow from sea to land during the summer and from land to sea during the winter. Indian monsoons are convection cells on a very large scale. India receives southwest monsoon winds in the summer and northeast monsoon winds in the winter. Southwest monsoons are formed due to the intense low pressure system formed over the Tibetan plateau. Northeast monsoons are associated with high pressure cells over Tibetan and Siberian plateaus. The Indian Meteorological Department has already predicted that the monsoon is expected to be normal this year. The monsoon's arrival at Andaman Sea was as per the schedule. Last week, the Indian Meteorological Department had said the monsoon is likely to arrive in Kerala on May 31st, a day ahead of its normal schedule. However, some reports say that it may hit Kerala on 26th of May. It will take 11 to 20 days to reach Mumbai and adjoining areas after that, depending on the strength of the current. The southwest monsoon is critical for India's economy, and as it has finally arrived in Nicobar Islands on Saturday with conditions favorable for its further advancement. Southwest monsoon of 2021 in India is likely to start its 4-month journey from June to September shortly. As a preface of its entry over mainland India, the onset of monsoon is expected over the South Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal anytime soon. The normal date of arrival over this area is 22nd May, and this time it may reach a day prior. The equatorial region in the proximity of the South and Southeast Bay of Bengal has been showing a fair amount of cross-equatorial flow, an essential component for bringing monsoon current. The complete chain of islands from south to north, including Car Nicobar, Hut Bay, Port Blair, Long Islands and Maya Bhandar, has rained for last 4 to 5 days. The next stop of southwest monsoon will be over North Andaman Sea and Sri Lanka. The likely formation of low pressure area over northeast Bay of Bengal and neighborhood, subsequently intensifying to a tropical storm next week, will facilitate the timely advance of monsoon over those parts. The officials have also alarmed about the cyclonic storm developing over the Gangetic West Bengal and is likely to make landfall on the eastern coast in the next 2 to 3 days. After Cyclone Taukte causing widespread destructions in the western coastal belt of India, the Met Department officials have alarmed about this new cyclonic storm developing over the Gangetic West Bengal. This is the second cyclonic storm forming over Bay of Bengal this year, named Yas, given by the Oman. Officials at the Indian Meteorological Department alerted that the new pressure system is forming over the North Andaman Sea and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal and can gather force in next 48 to 72 hours to form a cyclonic storm before reaching Odisha and West Bengal by May 26th evening. The storm will significantly increase in spatial extension and intensity over districts of Gangetic Plains, with gusty winds traveling at the speed of 45 to 65 kilometers per hour over the Andaman Sea and adjoining Bay of Bengal area. The wind can gain momentum from May 23rd onwards over the major parts of the Central Bay of Bengal, North Bay of Bengal and over Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh coast over the May 25th and 27th. The report further alerted that the weather can be rough to very rough over the Andaman Sea and East Central Bay of Bengal on 23rd May. However, even with the cyclone forming at the Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea, the advancement of southwest monsoon is unlikely to be affected, the Indian Meteorological Department said. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.